In a prior video, I tried delving into steam bending, and it was a failure of epic proportions. In this video, I'm going to make some chair backs for some bar stools that I am making for my mother. The plans call for bent lamination. This is the first time I have ever tried this particular method of bending. The first step is to make your form. After cutting out the form shape, I sanded the first block to the desired arc. I will use this pattern to template route the next part, and add and route the next. This way I can end up with a 4-inch thick form that I don't have to sand the whole block. Now it is time to make the veneers to be bent. I am cutting the wood at 1/8 inch thickness. I am using camphor wood that I milled from a tree that my neighbor had cut down. Camphor is very fragrant. It smells like cough medicine. Trust me when I say that the smell overpowered my shop in a very big way. Even though I had added cellophane tape to make the separation easier, it still gave me a little bit of grief. And here is the end result. Turned out pretty good if you ask me. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.